Hey guys, happy Derby. I tell you what, as you can see, wet hair. It is pouring down raining. Not at the track though. I'm not in Louisville, Kentucky at the Derby. I'm over here at Patoka Lake in Indiana at a Derby party. And just thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of it. We've got some pork butts right behind me here in my buddy's char-griller 50-50. He got started early. I wasn't even out of bed yet when he got started, but it's wrapped in. Let's take a look at it. Let me show it to you. Good looking grill, guys. Check that out. They're wrapped. I'll get with him in a minute. They're going strong, guys. But they're wrapped. I'll show it to you a little bit later when we're pulling it. But we are ready. Let's get the heat back in there. Got some racing going on over here. Anybody making any money?
Nobody.
When it rains on Derby Day, the crowd is up under the awning. At least we're outside. That's good. It's still good time. The grill is undercover. All's good. Still cooking away. But today's chef is at it again. It's going in to check temps, guys. Let's go in here. All wrapped up, steaming up. At 180. Lord, you went past the stall quick, buddy. You're pushing 190?
Yeah, we're almost there. I like to see it go a little bit past 200. And then the rest.
All right, Jerry, what'd you do to this thing? I was still in bed when you did that.
My favorite rub was left behind. It's at home, 70 miles away. So I went to the store and I picked out a Pit Boss pork rub.
Sweet.
Really good flavor.
Sweet.
First time try, first time test.
There we go. We're gonna find out together.
All good.
Let's go watch some horse racing. Everyone's intently betting those races.
Number five.
That's the horse to bet today. What'd you do?
Here's what I did. I went to the wrong thing and marked number 5, and he had won the race before. And I thought, that's an omen. I'm betting on 5, and I said, no, he'll never win 2 races in a row. So I didn't bet on him.
Today. 5 is winning today. 5 is definitely winning today. I ain't winning no money, but don't tell no one that I actually did a race. Trifecta. I don't know, but it's scary. All right, guys, it's time to pull this thing. It's time to let her rest. Where you think we've hit 200. It's forking pretty tender, so we're just gonna pull this off, put it in a cooler, and let her rest a while. We're gonna pull it. What we doing? We're doing Batman. We are a Batman. We are Batman. Let's go, buddy. I'm gonna stay over here. Keep the camera dry. I'm staying over here to keep this camera dry. Stay tight, guys. Go away, Rain.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you got left? You got another one?
I got 2 more pots, $5 a piece.
That'll work. I'll get one.
Well, there's one.
And I got change.
Okay.
This is Beaver. He is the ambassador.
Ambassador. Heavy on the ass part of it. Yeah. Preferably free.
Free.
This is exactly that.
Wayne Hares. Doing an old fashioned. For the ambassador.
That's all.
He fixed me one down here the other night. It was very, very
Oh,
good.
he does a pretty good old fashioned.
Yes,
Yeah, he
he
does. I mean, they're almost as good as mine.
That's on the pork rub. You don't want to put that in your old fashioned.
I wouldn't think so.
You spit that right out.
So who you like the next
And this
race?
is new.
Oh, that's a Derby I'm
I
looking at now.
bet in the 12th race, I like
That's what we got up, pulled up.
beautiful TV.
Yeah, we've been watching. We're going up there for the Derby though. So.
Thank you, sir. Oh, you're going over to the shelter house?
That's, yeah, we do every year.
Yeah.
Go up there and watch the race.
What do you think, Mr. Beaver?
Very good. And this, I'm sure, is good. Yeah. It almost makes it worthwhile putting up with them all year just to have a drink.
But you like
Each other, from one lover to another,
Yeah, we can't sing, but we have to.
Whisper to me softly, breathe words upon my skin.
Summer loving happened so fast.
Met a girl crazy for me.
Met a boy, cute as can be.
Memories of a love that's dead and gone. Tonight I'm sitting alone, taking a phone.
Is that a mint julep? That right there? Is that a mint julep? I think that's all a mint julep right there. I do believe it's derby time.
Are we taking the football with us?
Happy Derby! Danielle?
Darren and
I had the Derby winner. I don't know if I got the, I don't know if I won any money. We'll find out here in a minute. Hey, Joa, what's going on, guys?
It's good picking the Derby winners.
Here we go. It is craziness. There's some happy people here, and there's some sad people here. I'm one of the sad people. Yeah, my horse just got disqualified from the Kentucky Derby. I'm just hungry when I eat, guys. Let's go. It's a sad, sad day here. It is a sad.
Boys had a 7 horse, and we're going back. But on the other hand, my wife's got a 20 horse.
You got the 20 horse. I don't like you anymore. All right, guys, it's pork pulling time, guys. Derby did not go as well as planned, so we are pulling pork for dinner. The cherry and hickory mix. All right. All right, guys, it's getting dark on us, so we got Jerry, me, Beaver, the ambassador of Wild Ridge here. Yeah, we're gonna go here and do a taste test on this because it's getting dark on us, and here we go, guys. Let's check this out. All right, guys, what do you think?
This is absolutely delicious. Anybody that gets hungry around midnight, come down to Jerry Thompson and Wayne's down here on the curve and everything else, and just help yourself out there.
48.
Yeah, Lot 48, and you can't go wrong. Cheers.
Guys, we are finishing up this party, and we had a blast today. I won. I'm down for the Derby. Well, I'm down as always. But guys, thank you so much. Did a little something different today because I'm not cooking this weekend. My buddy did. So guys, God love you folks. Happy Derby. God love you folks. Bye bye.
Did you guys hear about the